Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a brand new vlog, my dear. The city girls are up. The city girls are up. Today is a Sunday. It's the 26th of April 2026. Near to some event, but it's the Pink Whisk event. I saw it on Instagram, so that is where I am going, you guys. Apparently lapha decorate my cake intending but it's cute, so I just wanted to do something cute for you. So it's the first day of a vlog, you guys, so stay with me. If you are seeing this gorgeous face for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. But if you're a returning subscriber, a regular, you know the story. I sent the outfit check, you guys. You remember this I was supposed to wear my that event Yabozonke that got postponed. So I decided to wear it now because so I'm thinking good by the time Ibuya kuzobe set band. So I'm gonna get this blazer. I hope you can see this blazer and this top, and then I'm wearing these shorts. Hi guys. I wanna but okay, you will see pictures. You wanna eat on me because I wanna short term. I wanna show you getting these leather shorts, and then I'm wearing my shades lower, you guys. One rudder huggy then in pencil bag, it's an elder bag. Yeah, so basically this is my look for today. That's what I'm getting, guys. Obviously you're coming with me, so gizongonisa the whole experience, ne? And then you're gonna see outfits, man. Gizonshutela mang figale because manje angikhona ukunibonisa one space sami sincane la.
Time will bring the real end about you. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. You feel the same. Oh, baby, baby, so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. Got me empty. I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live.
Says feeling. Actually, I thought I was late, but there's a few more ladies that have not arrived as yet. So I said in this morning, let's go.
I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shown you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. Love song goes on. You're pretty, it's alright. VIP. 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 Break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Poured out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Oh, bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, bricks to China. I saw all my niggas check, bust it out, and turn your goofy dog, out. All these niggas on the Instagram, I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it to it. I'ma bust it open, don't stupid bitch. I don't get honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt in the fire with the Ronnie. Regret like supreme ass web and nitty. That ass bring me in chow. Nigga run me my dog. This game is squeezing like it wait in the cow. Nigga name is Nicky, my name ain't a cow.
I tell my mama, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell my mama, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, on the dope, boy, the one they talking talking about? All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month. Cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and your bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short. We won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up.
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Convict music, never boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chance that you rollin' with me? Back to the crib, sorry how I live. Let's get drunk, get what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. Oh, I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank.
Ngize la namhlanje ngizodlulisa ukuphoxeka. I just came back from the event. This was like a cake frosting event, guys. It looks so nice. You know, mawubona ithombe nama video, and you are sold. You are thinking that okay, fuck it, ngiyabangena, you know. Just like my event, guys, that I usually go to, you know. When I go to events, I dress up, I look nice, I put makeup in. As in about overdressed in my entire life. Yo, guys, I was overdressed. You understand? The idea that I had for this event was outside in Kotlin, you know, because even a host, you guys, is wearing a sleepers and track pants. You understand? Kambi, you could have told us, dining room, do not overdo it, you know, because you know, must go to my event, especially we just go all out, to be cute, sifuni aesthetic, sifuna all these things, you know. So you know, because it didn't meet my expectations. For abantu bayo, but it didn't meet my expectations. I don't know to lie. I was so overdressed for it. You're sitting next to a person, also tracksuit, guys, namategi, you know. So mhlawumbe abantu abajwayele ubuya thina we thought ukuthi it's something zingini eliphezulu like the events that I normally go to. But anyway, silly frostile ikhakhe. I hope you can see it. I still see it. Silize ukusilinjani. You guys, I'm not so good at these things, man. I'm so buying, yeah. I was doing this for the very first time. Right? Aesthetic was not aesthetic. That's one again. I see board the ugutu. It tastes you, it's in it. Not so bad. Obviously, frosting maybe. So I end up with sweet to the sugar. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. But aesthetic wise, I get to mail, you guys. But yeah, okwenzekile ofana nokubhaliwe sibile sibonile. I'll see you next time, you guys. We're gonna have a very long week this week, so catch you later.
VIP.
Something.
Break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up,
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, bricks to China. I tell my niggas, check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. Carly split on it, yes, let's I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it. I'ma bust it open, go stupid, I don't date honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he needs a bunny, I might just let them find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile of the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass bring me in chow, nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nikki, my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month, cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and your bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it
girl.
I'm having a glass of wine. Today is a Monday. It's actually a holiday. It's in the afternoon. You saw earlier on. Sorry, I went to a new market in Alberton. We had to do shopping because actually this weekend we are having umsebenzi. So we just needed to go buy a few items for Opera on Saturday. So yeah, that's what I got up to today. But yeah, apart from that, I also got a few items. Guys, I'm a plastic guy. Bessie checkers, I didn't get a lot of things on the side. Apart from this, the Bessie trainer for sevens. I just did a little top up in renovation. What? This is what I got. By now, you know what's in here. It's under liquid fruit, and then this is especially I think you actually get 2 for 60 rands, né? And then these, my new faves, ginger biscuits, and then we'll put on a coffee. And then I also get a muesli. Ngifuna ukuzama ukudla kahle, you guys. Ngifuna ukuzama ukudla kahle. And then I also got onions, ginger. I couldn't get lemon, so lemon was a big access. I'm gonna shop right not far from here. Gizobeka my lemon, and then because I wanna do layer concoction, and then legwam. Listen to this. Angizazi ukuthi zikuphi, but I can't find them, so I had to replace them. And then this seasoning, guys, this is the best. The garlic and herb seasoning, yo, this is the best. It makes the meat taste really good. So ngithenge honey. I want to lay off on ushukela, so I'm gonna start drinking my tea or coffee with honey, and then I want to do that concoction where you mix honey, ginger, and lemon. So I'm gonna get lemons tomorrow, and then I start drinking that just to shed off some fat. And actually, that concoction, it actually helps you to shed off fat in your body. And then I also got this for my daughter. Because we're going to take these mini biscuits. I'm a Mary, and then these. I'm a tennis, and then I'm taking juice government. I'm a juice now. Now we was a special in because it was 2 for how much? Hey, I'm confused with you guys, but it was 2 for something. Cause really, I actually got 2, and then I'm taking number 2 on, and then I also bought yogurt. I'm taking because yogurt has my sweet really bad, so I got yogurt. Yogurt in mostly this, guys. My journey to losing weight. So I'm gonna be strong enough to the plain yogurt. I know some people actually have this with plain yogurt. I'm gonna plain yogurt. So I'm just gonna have it with this yogurt until I can actually have the plain yogurt. So yeah, that's what I got, you guys. Obviously, I'm gonna take you with M7 You're gonna be here with me, and when we go through all the process from preparations until the D-Day. So I am so excited. So I just wanted to show you isn't liking is tengile. I think it's bonile already. Maslogos is like my shelf. So yeah, that's it, you guys, for today. It has been a long day. We didn't even have the electricity. It's a problem. So yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Tuesday. Remember, I'm going to be having an appointment with the orthodontist where she has to now to put the extra braces. So yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I think Vela Sokoloma Cecily. And then I'm going to take you throughout the process. There's people who are asking, when she started the process, can you record that for us? And I said, if they allow it, if the orthodontist allows it, and then I'm gonna do it for you. So this is a one access, you guys. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Good night.
You know the things that I could do for your career, girl. You're one in a million, babe. Wanna help you make it. I don't wanna manage you, but I wanna make you famous. Getting down to business. We can flip the script and change the play. Here's your first audition.
You're one in a million, babe. Wanna help you make it. Superstar. I don't wanna manage you, but I wanna make you famous. Girl, you are. You're one in a million, babe. Wanna help you make it. Superstar. I don't wanna manage you, but I wanna make you famous.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Got me with a leash, you saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. Got lost me in the morning, baby. If you need it, show it. And if you ever needed a woman, I got you, you know that. And if you ever home when I'm need a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm clowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. I'm already trying to miss me, babe. There's been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Get the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way.
Welcome back. It's a Wednesday. It's the 28th of April, 2026. So finally, we went to get braces. They actually did the first jaw.
Hi.
Do they show properly?
Yeah.
So, where's that paper bag? The white paper bag? Go get it. So yeah, guys, we went to get Amanda the first set. They said so that she can get used to chewing, and because there's a bit of a discomfort, and then with a pain that comes and goes. So they said it's okay, fine. But right, and then after 2 weeks, that's when we're gonna go see your father, the bottom jaw. And then we also have what is this? A goodie bag. We also have a goodie bag. So basically they gave you 2.
Yes.
Okay, so basically it's a guide, you know, the day-to-day guide. You would see you know, I'm not gonna show them your words. It's a day-to-day guide. How to take care of them, how to clean them, how to eat, what not to eat. And then they also gave us this. Even again, they also gave us this. So Bafage is indoor. Like this is a small mirror. You know. That's a mirror. And then it's a toothbrush. Apparently when a toothbrush your corner is specific that you use when you have braces. And then they actually gave us 2 of lawo ma toothbrush lawo. Bese basipha ne floss ke bathi yini mastripha i10.
Yeah.
Basipha ne floss. But they only said it's like 10 strips, so you need to get your own floss. And then this is what an hourglass, ne? The hourglass, basically it helps you to time how long must you take to brush your teeth. So when that's so then your teeth are fine. That's when you stop. And then what is this? wax. How do you open the wax? You know how to open this? basiphe nama sample where toothpaste that we can use, but also
Here's the wax.
that's how it looks like. It works. So it works basically is for, because I need to, these are brackets about fagile. So sometimes they poke you a bit, or be like on your gums, and then no, you don't have to. Oh yeah, ngamula, and then ufagela. You wanna show them?
So what you are saying is that I had to put it here because the thing, what do you call this? Insimbi corner was poking me at that time. So
Thanks. So this is how it looks like. It works. The ngamula kancane uyifake where you feel it discomfort or where you feel like you're poking. And then before we went to the orthodontist, we started at our dentist, you guys, because bekumele ukuthi ayowasha amazinyo, bamclean amazinyo abe clean, so that when they start installing at least amazinyo abe spoon. And then we didn't have to buy these,
Yeah.
because our dentist actually gave us guys. He gave us a sample now. But when I pay I2 go orthodontist, but our dentist maybe it's 10. Ne?
yeah, 10.
So we don't have to buy new ones. So then
Wait, and they also gave us this book
I told them
to
that
tell
they
you
gave us-
instructions about what to do when you get braces.
I already told them. Then Singule this cam. You guys, what did you get at this cam? It's a top up. Where is this thing? I can tell you what's
It fell inside.
It fell inside.
No, I can't find it.
So we lashile already. We lashile already. So
But it's fine now, Angela.
Basti feathers, I don't know what you call this, guys. Angazi ukuthi ibizwani. But singathi but into you cleaner, so you clean between yabona mawufuna ukufaka, so but sometimes you brush angeke lize lifike lapho, so you put it and you clean inside. I don't know what they call it. Nami bengiqala ukuyibona today. And then we also sathenga nenye i-wax yabona, because le ela incane. So sathopa i-wax, and then sathopa i-floss, because they also said it's only like 10 strings abakaphezulu. So sathopa into i-floss ukuthi zingapheleli endleleni, and bathi uzozwa ubuhlungu kancane. So makezwa ubuhlungu obu unbearable, then she can have Panado, right? And then okay, I also bought my comforts for the baby. I use these for the baby. There was a special in, so I'm saying I too, because there was a special in. I think it was 75 rand for two, ne?
72 rand for
And in
two.
my one, it's like 52 rand, so it's a bargain. Sandula nase checkers. Is on a benile. Today. Did you take the ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, when you're saying ice cream, because let's say she needs to eat is bandai, just to soothe the pain. Right. So we bought ice cream, and then we say a croissant. They're my favorite. I'm gonna make breakfast tomorrow, and then I just bought the hangers for my baby boy. Goodness, it was like eating a hanger. And then nalama tracksuit. I didn't know what to check us in name, but is cute. So it tracksuit Lena. You see how it looks like? Oh, bunga bunga. This is for the bunga bunga, and then also in this color. It's like almost the same thing in different colors. Yeah. And then I'm singing another vest. Lawa now so so I put my i3 lawa. And the socks. Because lawa now so I am gonna. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Yeah, so that's just about it, you guys. So the journey has started, and then after 2 weeks we're gonna go back to install the bottom jaw, and then after that yes, so we monthly visits, of which here and there sizohamba nani sinibonise when she goes to my monthly visits. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. It's been a long day. See you next time.
Music every boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the green, sorry how I live. Let's get drunk, get what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. Oh, I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like talk to me. I talk bad, let's talk money. I talk that, what you spawn? Oakley shades, so they got class. Oh, behave, let's get gone. Walk it out, just like that. That's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun. You gon' see on that Patron. You should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like
Won't you meet me at the bar? Respect big pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama. Tell me what you see. A certified diabetes deserve Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now we both by tipsy. You say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, make it so let me take you where I live. Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion through the sex, all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing so he can make it clear.
I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like let's get gone. Walk it out. Walk it out. Wake up, body. Oh, snap. Now rock. You can do it all by yourself. Let's get gone. Walk it out. Walk it out. Wake up, body. Oh, snap. Now rock. You can do it all by yourself. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like
Ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you loving. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how to break down.
Guys, so I received this gift from one of my followers on TikTok. You know that I am Umgosi on TikTok. So umsendele this for Mother's Day. It's written, Happy Mother's Day, Mgosi. Boo 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 boo. So guys, you know that on TikTok I am Umgosi. So one of my followers decided to send me a very early Happy Mother's Day gift, ne? Since I'm also a new mommy, ne? And an old mommy. So let me show you. Thank you so much, sis Nozipo. Nozi Creations. It's Nozi_creations, ne? She's in Pumalang. So she made me this, you guys, a chopping board. This is how it looks like, neighbor. So it's written, the secret ingredient is always love. Okay? It's a chopping board. I actually do prefer the wooden one instead of the plastic one. You know why? Because with the plastic one, sometimes mausiga, and if your knife is too sharp, you actually cut the plastic off the board. So I do actually prefer this one. Oh, and she also made me these, you guys. These kitchen utensils. Yeah, it's wooden spoons, so zine holder ya corner for you to put, you see, like this. And then so guys, zipalwe cooking with Ngozi. Boo 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 boo. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. These are very nice. What a thoughtful. Basically, this is what she does. Like, this is what she makes. So if you can contact her. I also posted these on my TikTok. Tumblr, you guys. This is how it looks like. You put in the straw. I love these. And then she actually put this picture. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Do you see this picture? Never. This is a picture here, my pregnancy photo shoot. It's written Happy Mother's Day, Ngozi. Then this is a Mother's Day prayer. Lord, we pray for all mothers, beautiful and wonderful, till they fill the earth. Gracious in your call, they carry life. In a bond of love, they bring forth the child. We ask you to bless all mothers today. May they feel the joys of motherhood every day. In all their struggles, giving us a livelihood, may your love and compassion be with them for good. May every mother feel today the pride and beauty of the family they bear. Through all pain and sorrow, Lord, deliver them. In your strength and grace, may they always stay. Amen. Guys, it's not easy being a mom. It's not easy. Whether you're a mom to an older child, whether you're a mom to a baby, motherhood is not easy. There is the baby now. He's in the bedroom and he's making noise. He's with his sister. And then she also made me a cup. This is a coffee mug. It's written best mom because it's your scream. And then this is the picture. It's for my TikTok. This is how it looks like. I just wanted to show you. Oh, I wanted to show you it close up. Ngapagati, it's also personalized, you guys. Neighbor, this is so nice. This is how the tumbler looks like. In case you didn't see it, this is how it looks like. Love them too much. And then, last but not least, she also made me an apron. Apron, you guys, so that it's written Ngozi, Queen of the Kitchen. Neighbor, this is how it looks like. So I'm very grateful, you guys. So this is where we're going to end our vlog. I don't want it to be too long because I actually want to start a new vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow being a Friday. I did say, we are having umsebenzi, a traditional ceremony on Saturday, but it's gonna start tomorrow of and everything. So that's where I want to start like my new vlog. So yeah, you guys, so this is where we're gonna end this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and till we meet again, because I'm starting a new vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna take you through everything, all the process. Yeah, love you so much, you guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for continuing to support me. Ngithanda intende esidula engachazeki. Hey ma'am.
Hi.
You back from doing your hair?
Yes.
Let's see. Give us a twirl. Ooh. Ima, wait. Look the other direction so I can show them. The other one. And I want to see the back. The back. Ima, straight. We want to see the back. Guys, ngicela nimshaye. Yes.
La.
Yes. Nice. How are the braces feeling today?
All better.
Let's see. Phela she kept on saying they are painful. Abhlungu. Hey, akhala athi ufuna ukwakhipha kasawafuni.
Used to be my